He mirrored the values of the organization he was in: professionalism, entrepreneurship, and a passionate commitment to advancing growth. Under his direction, design achieved a new dimension and perspective, benchmarked against exemplary standards. Welcome to another episode of Kansbal Radio. I am your host, Anupam Ganguly. Join me in greeting our guest today, Mr. S.K. Tayal, a ceaseless learner with an engaging mind. He joined the company as a junior engineer in 1967, rising to positions of increasing responsibility as he moved in 1995 to L&T Kolkata, staying there till 1999 and thereafter to L&T ECC Chennai. After L&T, he joined Electrosteel Castings Kolkata, from where he retired as a general manager design in 2012. Please put your hands together to applaud him.
मैं कांसवाल में बहुत साल रहा था।
हाँ। तो
हाँ,
आपने
एज ए मैटर मैंने अपना कैरियर कांसवाल से ही शुरू किया। 67 से आई स्टार्टेड देयर एंड देन आई वाज ट्रांसफर्ड टू कलकत्ता इन 1999।
ओके
है ना, बिकॉज दे वांटेड समबडी हियर इन कलकत्ता।
या
तो क्योंकि और जो मार्केटिंग टीम थी दैट वाज इन कलकत्ता,
या
so
एब्सोल्युटली
they wanted the help from the technical side,
एब्सोल्युटली
है ना।
जी
So they transferred me to Calcutta.
या प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट योर बिगिनिंग्स इन कांसवाल। लाइक ये तो आपने शुरू में एक इंट्रोडक्शन टाइप दिया है, लाइक कब आप आए
नहीं।
का मतलब कैसे आपको शुरू में कैसे लगा, लाइक हाउ इट वाज इन द बिगिनिंग, लाइक
शुरू में मतलब जब कांसवाल ज्वाइन किया था,
हाँ जी
हाँ, दैट वाज कांसवाल इज वेरी स्मॉल प्लेस,
या
है ना।
जी
इट इज नियर राउरकेला, बिटवीन राउरकेला एंड राजगांगपुर।
एब्सोल्युटली
So I started, I was selected from the engineering college, IIT Kharagpur,
या
and then I was told to join in Kanswal. Kanswal was actually, it is a group of Larsen and Toubro and 3 Germans.
या
So that way Kanswal was technically very strong team we had.
क्वाइट ट्रू
So after coming over there, I had no difficulty regarding other things, because almost everything is available in Kanswal
या
for our day-to-day use.
या
Kanswal and nearby on the main road there are some 2 or 3 shops. वहाँ पर सब मिल जाता है।
हाँ
Otherwise we had to go to Raurkela और राजगंगपुर।
क्वाइट ट्रू
ठीक है।
हाँ, प्लीज टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर फैमिली।
क्या चीज?
प्लीज आपके परिवार के बारे में बताइए। प्लीज टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट योर फैमिली।
हाँ, परिवार में माय सन, माय वाइफ, सन एंड डॉटर,
या
ये हमारा परिवार है,
एब्सोल्युटली
है ना। माय सन इज वर्किंग इन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया,
अच्छा, एक्सीलेंट
हाँ, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस डिपार्टमेंट।
या
एंड माय डॉटर, शी इज मैरिड, शी इज इन लखनऊ।
ओके या अच्छा, योर टेक ऑन उत्मल और एल&टी। आपके नजरिए में उत्मल या एल&टी एज यू सॉ इट?
हाँ,
एज यू
अर्लियर इट वाज उत्कल मशीनरी लिमिटेड
या
and L&T was a partner of that group.
या
Later on, somewhere in 1981, it was merged with Larsen Toubro. So it became, instead of Utkal Machinery, the name was changed to Larsen and Toubro. है ना?
एब्सोल्युटली
Yes.
द टाउनशिप एज यू सॉ इट, आपके नजरिए में द टाउनशिप एज यू रिमेम्बर?
Township is very good in Kanswal.
या
L&T का township है. There are 2 groups. Township में it is in 2 parts. One is South Colony, one is North Colony.
या एब्सोल्युटली
South Colony is for junior people. North Colony for the senior people. Managers and above.
Absolutely.
है ना?
Yeah.
So that way, but they are not very far from each other.
Yeah.
About 2 kilometer distance. So one can, and the people, the factory itself has 2 doors, 2 gates. One for North Colony, one for South Colony. So South Colony में those people who were living, they used to use South Gate.
Yeah.
And North side में they were using North Gate for coming and going.
Yeah.
It is not a very big place. It is a very small place because there is nothing else other than the factory and the connected township. There is no other thing. A few small shops are there for day-to-day necessity.
Quite true.
है ना?
Quite true.
School is there. School is very good. Montfort School. That is up to class 12.
Yeah.
So children used to go there and study. So there is no difficulty. After that, after class 12, they used to go to Rourkela for higher education.
अच्छा, anything from Kansbal which is still memorable आपको याद है, like which has left indelible memories?
Memory का कोई खास नहीं है, because it is a small place and everybody knows everybody.
Any event celebrations, any event celebrations, any festivities?
Activities are there. They keep on conducting from time to time some functions.
Yeah.
Where people from north and south both take part. Drama, dialogue, debates, these things they carry out. They have got a small group, and they go on organizing the functions.
Quite true. Please tell us something about the company, like in your department, in your design department. Could you carry out any changes? Could you introduce any new innovations, any new way of thinking in design department?
New way of thinking is there because in Larsen & Toubro, we were connected with the steel plants.
Yeah.
We used to manufacture the equipment for the steel plants, and for manufacturing whatever information is required, that we from design department, from our department, we used to furnish to the shops.
Quite true.
Yeah, so technically the know-how was very good because all the know-how was coming from Germany.
Yeah.
Later on we developed ourselves and we were not depending upon Germany so much.
Yeah.
Except some typical cases, some new cases. उसके लिए we used to talk to Germans. Otherwise, we were doing ourselves.
Any personalities you remember from Kansbal? आपको कोई यादगार लोग, like anyone?
Personality was Mr. S.P. Kashyap.
Yeah.
He was the head of the unit over there.
Absolutely.
Mr. K. Ramaswamy.
Yeah.
He was the general manager.
Yeah.
And there were others.
Okay.
These were the two.
That's true.
That's
true. Could you please tell us something about your neighbors, your आपके जो quarter area थे, like people around, staying around?
My neighbor was one Mr. R.P. Das.
Yeah.
And other fellow was Mr. A.T. Sakib.
Yeah.
और क्लब के पास में कौन? R.K. Sengupta, R.N. Sengupta.
Yeah.
क्लब के पास में कौन है? Mr. Mahanti came later on.
Okay.
पहले Mr. Mathur was there.
Yeah.
In the same quarter that was near the club. In the same quarter, Mr. Mahanti came.
Okay.
M.K. Mahanti.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Hmm.
Please share any life lessons from Kansbal with our audience of Kansbal.
Live session.
Life lessons. जीवन की सीख. Like.
नहीं, live session means what?
Not life session. Life lessons. जैसे जिंदगी में क्या आपने सीखा? I mean, कुछ आप कहना चाहेंगे, like to our audience?
As I told you that I was from technical side, design side.
Yeah.
From IIT Kharagpur.
That's true.
Machine design was my main subject. So whatever orders we were getting from various steel plants, we used to manufacture in Kansbahal.
Yeah.
And for manufacturing purposes, we have to give the instructions to the shops
Okay.
in the form of part lists and drawings. So that were prepared by us in Kansbahal
Okay.
and given to the shops. Production planning department. We used to give them those details from where they were getting it manufactured.
Okay.
They have a very good workshop,
Yeah.
machine shop, fabrication shop,
Yeah.
and foundry.
Yeah. Quite true.
So all those things we were able to manufacture ourselves, except some few things which we used to get it from our other places.
Yeah.
So like HEC Ranchi,
Yeah.
है ना?
Absolutely.
Or even in Rourkela, a lot of other shops have come up. So small shops are there, but they are good because they used to manufacture as per our instructions.
Yeah.
Whatever drawings and instructions we were giving, they were following them.
That's true.
From there, they picked up very well.
Very true.
And this Kansbahal is not very far from Rourkela.
Yeah.
It is about 25 kilometers away.
Yeah. Hardly.
So 25 kilometers means in 1 hour we can reach there.
Yeah.
So that way it was very good for learning as well as for making new equipment. We were designing our own and getting them manufactured.
Okay.
Oh.
Your hobbies, please. Any hobbies you would like to share with us? Like
Pardon?
your hobbies. Any
My hobby is painting.
Okay. Wonderful.
Hmm.
Please tell
Because
us.
from the very beginning, I was interested in painting.
Yeah.
So I joined this engineering department
Yeah.
and I was in charge of the technical side of the getting the drawings prepared for manufacturing.
Yeah.
And,
Quite true.
and those details had to be given there. Otherwise, shops cannot decide themselves.
Yeah.
You know. So that way it was a good learning as well as learning the thing practically to know the practical problems. Because shops were very good. We had a machine shop,
Yeah.
fabrication shop,
Yeah.
and foundry. Foundry means it was a steel foundry as well as cast iron and other alloys.
Yeah.
So that way it was a very good unit.
Quite true.
Hmm.
Any concluding message you would like to give to our audience of Kansbahal Radio?
काम करने के लिए
Any concluding message? You would like to give to
No,
our
there is no concluding message. It depends upon the nature of the person. Because Kansbahal is a place which is remote from the main city.
Yeah.
So many people did not like Kansbahal even for few days.
That's
So some of the engineers who joined with us, they left within 1 month. They said this is a useless place. There is nothing, no market, no entertainment facilities like you have in cities. You know, there are some picture halls and they can go from one to other.
no such.
So for that we used to go to Rourkela.
Yeah.
Rourkela was not very far from there.
Yeah.
1 hour drive from Kansbahal to Rourkela.
Quite true.
So that was not very far.
Yeah.
So otherwise it was very calm and quiet place, but all modern type, all modern facilities were there
Okay.
because we were connected with the steel plants all over India.
That's
We supplied equipment to almost all the steel plants in India.
That's true.
You know?
That's
So that way, every time we used to get a new challenge, new design, we had to prepare details ourselves and get it manufactured.
Yeah. Any message you would like to give to the young generation of today, people whom you
See,
Huh.
young generation, it depends upon their own nature. What is their liking? As I told you, one engineer joined us and he left within 1 month. He said it is a useless place. There is no market, no entertainment, no picture hall, anything like that.
That's true.
So that is depending upon the nature. if anybody likes calm and quiet atmosphere, but technically sound. So for them it is a good place.
Absolutely.
Technical knowledge अच्छा होना चाहिए, and then they can learn a lot from, because of fabrication shop, machine shop, foundry. They can manufacture almost all the equipment used in the steel plants.
Quite true.
We had supplied lot of equipment to various steel plants. Rourkela was the main, because it started as a small shop to serve the requirement of Rourkela. Because the Germans, they had a German collaboration. So the Germans used to get the things done in Kansbahal.
Quite true.
So we learned a lot from them, and then it was helpful to develop the new equipment for Rourkela steel plant. Rourkela, Bhilai, Visakhapatnam. We had supplied a lot of equipment.
Quite true.
Even Tata Nagar. Later on, in Tata Nagar Tisco, they had their own growth shop, which was competitor to us. They used to design and get the things manufactured for the requirement of the steel plants, and that is exactly what we were doing also.
Okay.
Yeah. Since they were under the steel plants, so they used to get advantage over us, because ours was a private organization, and they were the part of Rourkela steel plant or various steel plants. They were part of that, so they used to get price advantage. 10% price. They used to, even if their price is 10% more than ours, the order was given to them.
Okay.
Otherwise, they used to give the order to us.
Quite true.
Technically, to learn, it is a very good place. Because the atmosphere is good, neat and clean. And there is no pollution in the air whatsoever, like you have in Calcutta. So much of traffic, so much of pollution. Those things are not there. The water is clean, air is clean. And that is what is most important for good health.
Quite true.
Welcome.
After that sojourn back into the yesteryears with Kansbahal Yadein, it's time to say goodbye. Stay tuned.